Going up.
These are the elevators at the Hilton, Columbus, Polaris, in Columbus, Ohio.
Ninth floor.
Here are 9.
Going down.
Go to 1. Because this does not work. Let's get Cabby on the way down. These are pretty nice. Phone, not gonna be able to open that.
First floor.
Here 1.
Going up.
Back up to 9. Because this does not work. There we go.
Ninth floor.
Here 9.
Going down.
Another 1. Because this does not work. Actually, 3,000 pounds.
First floor.
Here 1.
Going
Here goes, and that'll be it.